Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes
I'm out of town, thugging with my round. So we all made it to the airport. We got Hannah, we got Aaron, we got Jada, and we waiting on Taylor. Then we'll meet my sister Pooh in LA. Yeah.
bless up, 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 bless up. Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't book me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Turkey. I don't even pack my dirty clothes, I leave them where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back.
We made it, and we made it, y'all. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Where y'all at? Because we outside. Period. Look at Nikita. Oh,
first person go live, take a shot.
All right, go ahead. What you want?
First person that say a curse word, take 2 shots.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Y'all heard that? Okay.
First person to tell that like I'm drinking. You gotta take a shot.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. First person. Last person to get ready is taking 2 shots.
First person to complain takes 2 shots.
The first person that gets mad has to take 2 shots.
Sonic, get your gas mask on the fast. Baby be supersonic. Get your gas mask on them niggas float.
We gonna toast. I know, right? But that's just taking like
Fast. Baby be supersonic. Get your gas mask on them niggas float is traffic. Boy, this fast cash. Venmo me them economics. Get the garden in the period. With my lady, I'ma marry her. Got the diamond in the back, yeah. Put the diamond on her. Get on up like I'm a hydraulics on my car. Sober, bouncing the snoop and miss.
Oh, what kind of chips you got? I didn't know you. So you hiding the chips?
She hiding her.
She used to doing that, y'all, with her kids. Don't pay her no mind. Don't pay her no mind.
Supersonic, get your gas mask. All them niggas flow this traffic. Boy, this fast cash. Venmo me the economics. Super bounce. Don't drop it. Fast. Baby be.
So whoever was the latest to show up tonight.
Yeah.
I was the latest.
Yeah, take a shot.
Oh, nobody else took a shot.
Y'all
Take a shot. Take a shot.
Y'all actually late showing up. Who? Me, I was actually late.
You were the lady.
They was on the late because her flight.
Yeah.
See, don't forget.
Good, I'm from the west side, south central. Blow it up, slow it up. While I'm painting corners on that stupid thing. Don't drop it fast, fast.
Good morning, y'all. We are in LA. Let me show y'all the palm tree. We are in LA. The girls are in LA, y'all. Let me see. Y'all see the palm trees? Hold on. Y'all see it? But yeah, I'm outside my Airbnb waiting for my sisters to bring the car around. But yeah, we just want to do some walking. So me and Hannah, we was just cute and comfortable. There go Hannah. We got our dunks on. You know it. You see it. You know, just something cute.
Yeah.
Very. Okay, y'all. So we are in the car. We're headed out. Where we going? We're going to the mall. Then we got a tour at 2:30. And yeah, I'll catch up y'all when I get to the mall. I'm so extra. Okay, y'all. So we're in the mall with y'all. Got the crew. Got the girls. Finna get something to eat, y'all. Where y'all see the? We gotta find the food court. Yeah, where the board is? Oh yeah, we can see what's in this joint.
We go this. Y'all wanna go back to it that way?
Yeah, we ain't. Damn.
So it's on this floor in the lower level. Okay.
We go this way. It's upstairs.
Okay, y'all. So it's downstairs. I want to get some food. Where the food court at?
We showed them looking.
Yeah. Okay, so I just left Fashion Nova. I should have recorded y'all. I did find they had like Fashion Nova store is like way cheaper than online, so I did find some cute stuff. I actually changed to these jeans because I'm just like, why not? But yeah. Okay.
Love yours.
It's like supposed to be like a hip hop thing or a rap. It's a rap night today. Okay, good.
Yep.
I know y'all gonna be a baddie.
Yep.
No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your love. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your love. Love yours. No such thing.
See, my days are cold without you.
y'all do?
We outside.
Aaron? Know where we going?
Yeah.
Yeah, me.
Okay, y'all, we on our way. Here's to our yacht. Period. Everybody say hey.
Hello.
Hey, y'all. I know y'all didn't see us last night because we got a little too lit, but we're here. And it's funny, y'all. Nobody really told blue and green. It's like most of us have on blue and green. Like, that's crazy. Like, wow. But yeah. Ernie, bye.
Alright, come on in.
For me.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such
We're here on the boat. Yes. We made it, y'all.
That was the dry.
On the yacht. Not the boat, a yacht. Sorry. It's a yacht. Big boat. Yeah. That's nice. We can't wait to hear some music.
He told us it was like be something.
You want to? I'm gonna go ahead and connect. Yeah. Let me see. We gotta get the vibe going. What is it?
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no that. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games.
Right here.
They wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Better just doing the most, but we take a picture, get posted. How that works? But you talking back that shit up. Won't you say my to mine? No, that you acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games.
They don't look the same. Look, they gonna swear she Miss Parker. She's so funny. Who is hilarious? I'm sorry. Zoom in on her. I know that's right. That's y'all, we're going to the Sunset Room, Hollywood. So we'll let y'all know how it is, like what they talking about in there. But yeah, real cute. Real cute. Hold on. We'll let, once she done, we'll ask Hannah to take mine. Y'all, it's the last one in here. I didn't need to show y'all the Airbnb, but I'm gonna show y'all a quick look around downstairs. Last day in the Bad Girls Club. Literally, last day. But y'all, it's y'all gotta get their shoes. Like, this was the living room, whatever, y'all. It's like, this is the day we leave. This is when you come in. It's real cute, y'all. The stairs. Like, I don't know what this was, but he had it locked. So, this is the kitchen. Let me see what the light said. The kitchen, y'all. I traced over long. We're gonna clean up these. Refrigerator. It's the room down here, but it's my sister. I'm not gonna go in. Room. You get out there. You show it all your shoes. I'm at 100 shoes. Yeah, we had so many empty bottles, like, literally, we was turned up.
It's always easier to tell you lies. Let the truth be your surprise. You see me as Mr. Right. Word of advice, change your mind, 'cause you're blind. Might as well close your eyes. If you open them, you'll cry, 'cause you see through my disguise. See right through me, you will see who I am for real. See right through me for real. See who I am for real.
Right now, we're headed to breakfast at this place called Jack and Joe's. Let's see what it's like. It's a little cool out here today, y'all. It's cloudy. Our last day. Let's see. Wow. That's funny. We could have parked right there. Ooh.
So we're good.
Literally. Well, we didn't park right there now, except Sunday. Well, yeah, probably for the church.
Yeah.
You want to go to church, you can. No excuses.
That's right.
This place better be good. We're waiting, y'all. This is not a good angle. You see? Oh, this better be good. Better be good. Better be.
It better be.
Like Vietnamese spaghetti. So yeah. Finally made it in.
What you gotta say, Craig? What do you have to say? Gotta break the news. I'm having triplets. What is bad? Yes, I speak. So big.